Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a suspension revalve on a 2022 Honda CRF250R. This was set up to our JBI suspension motocross spec, along with a few upgrades as well. As you can see, one of those upgrades was coatings on the lugs, inner tubes, upper tubes, and shock body and bladder cap, along with an X-Trig preload adjuster, JBI titanium bolts, and also the forks received the JBI Suspension Pro Revalve, which is our revalve with additional hardware upgrades. Details of this exact setting can be found at ridejbi.com. It tells you exactly what hardware parts we are installing inside of the forks, why we're doing that, how they work, and what you should expect once you receive your suspension back. The shock was revalved to a matching setting. This is the JBI Suspension Standard Shock Revalve. We also offer a Pro Revalve on the shock as well, which is an entire new shock shaft assembly, and it is a larger 18mm shock shaft. This is most advantageous for riders of professional and aggressive riding level and or supercross and FMX riders. Both kits are also available as do-it-yourself install kits, where you can order the same exact parts we installed inside of these forks, and we'll build up a kit custom to you with all the shims already on there, and it just needs to be installed by yourself or somebody local to you. The fork lugs receive the JBI Cerakote burnt bronze coating. The inner tubes have the JBI chameleon coat, and the upper tubes have the JBI faux Shima coat. The shock body was Cerakoted a matching burnt bronze, same as the fork lugs. The JBI suspension black bumper was installed, along with a softer spring rate to match the rider's weight. Again, this was set up for a motocross rider. We would consider this an amateur / B-class setup. This is a very common setup as it fits a wide range of riders. If you are interested in having Ride JBI build suspension for you, please call us or send us an email. We would be happy to help you. We have many other settings developed for other types of riding, such as off-road, freestyle, AX, and SX. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.